How to find wallet address on Jupiter Crypto app. First of all, what you need to do is open the Jupiter Crypto app. As soon as you open it, make sure that you do have your account. You can see this type of interface once you go to this wallet type icon, and what you need to do next is tap on Receive Sol. So go ahead and tap on Receive Sol. As soon as you do this, you can see that this is your wallet deposit address. Go ahead and tap on Copy and you can send it to others to receive money. Or else you can directly tap on Share and you can just tap on Copy, or else you can screenshot this bar as well. So as you screenshot this and send it to your friends and they scan this barcode, they can easily send you money. This is how easy it is to find the wallet address on the Jupiter Crypto app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.